Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful drink that helps promote hair growth if consumed on a regular basis. Though external hair application is important for hair growth, consuming nutrient-rich foods is even more important. The best way to prevent hair fall and promote hair growth is to concentrate both on external application and also what we consume on a regular basis. The base for this juice is Moringa, also called as drumstick leaves in English. Drumstick leaf has high nutrient content and it is especially good for promoting hair growth. The reason I mentioned that it increases hair growth 3 times faster is because it has high iron content, so treats hair fall due to anemia, which is the leading cause of hair fall that most Indian women face. Along with iron, it has high amounts of zinc and essential amino acids that are important for hair growth too. The second reason is since it is rich in antioxidants, it helps reduce oxidative stress, which is also another important reason for hair fall. Finally, moringa is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which makes the hair healthy, strong and shiny. At home, I collect fresh moringa leaves and then sun dry in partial shade or in full sunlight till it gets crisp. And then I powder, sieve and then store. But if you don't have access to fresh leaves, you can easily buy good quality moringa powder from the shops too. I'll leave the online link for buying it in the description box below if you're interested. I have given 2 hair growth promoting drink recipes using moringa powder. Choose the one that you like and consume regularly. Take a teaspoon of moringa leaf powder in a bowl. Now add in quarter teaspoon of jeera powder to it. Add in the required amount of salt. I have used Himalayan pink salt in this recipe, but you can use regular salt if you don't have it at home. Finally, add in half cup of curd. Now grind this mixture to a smooth paste along with half cup of water and your amazing hair growth promoting drink is ready. This is my favorite recipe, but if you don't want to use curd, then try the second recipe instead. Take 1 small cucumber, wash well, cut into pieces and take them in a bowl. Now add in a teaspoon of drumstick leaf powder to it. Add in organic raw honey to taste. Now add in 3/4 cup of water. Now grind to a smooth juice, strain and enjoy the drink. Though both these drinks taste good, the first recipe is my favorite and it tastes the best. Store the moringa powder in the fridge and consume this drink every day if you're suffering from severe hair fall. You can store the leftover drinks in the fridge and can consume it the next day too. But make sure to use fresh curd in the first recipe that is not sour, else it will be too sour to drink the next day. Moringa powder has an earthy smell and grassy taste that makes it hard to consume it alone. So adding it to drinks like this makes it very easier to consume. I have used 1 teaspoon of moringa powder in the drinks, and once your body gets used to it, you can slowly increase it to 1.5 teaspoons too. Do give these 2 recipes a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.